The 50-30-20 rule. A life-changing story. Have you ever wondered why some people always seem to have control over their money, while others are trapped in endless debt, stress, and regret? What if I told you that the difference is not luck, not even income, but simply a rule so powerful that it can change the way you see money forever? This is the story of Daniel, a young man who, like many of us, thought that money was his enemy. He worked hard, yet at the end of each month, his wallet was empty. His dreams were always postponed, his stress was constant, and his life felt like a never-ending race with no finish line. But one day, a single conversation flipped his entire world. A conversation that revealed a secret, a system, a key that had been in front of him all along. Daniel had just finished college. Like many young adults, he carried student loans, rent to pay, and a burning desire to enjoy life. He often told himself, "I'll save when I earn more." But when that more came, somehow it was never enough. He spent money on gadgets he didn't need, meals that lasted 1 hour but emptied his pockets, and subscriptions he barely used. Every month ended the same way, broke, anxious, and stuck. One evening, as he was checking his nearly empty bank account, Daniel sighed, "I work so hard, so why do I feel like I'm always behind?" His friend, Elena, noticed his frustration. She was calm, confident, and surprisingly free of money stress. Intrigued, Daniel asked her, "How do you do it? How are you not constantly broke like me?" Elena smiled and said, "It's not about how much you make. It's about how you manage it." Have you ever heard of the 50-30-20 rule? Daniel frowned. "What's that supposed to mean?" Elena leaned closer. "Listen carefully, because this changed my life." The 50-30-20 rule, simple but powerful. Here's how it works. 50% of your income goes to needs. Rent, food, bills, the essentials that keep you alive. 30% goes to wants. The things that make life enjoyable, dining out, travel, entertainment. 20% goes to savings and debt repayment. This is your future, your safety net, your dreams, your freedom. Daniel blinked. That's it. Just divide money into 3 buckets. Elena nodded. Yes. It's not magic, it's discipline. When you follow this rule, money stops controlling you, and you start controlling money. Daniel laughed nervously. It can't be that easy. But Elena looked him in the eyes and said, "The rule is simple. Following it is hard. But if you want a different future, you have to start today." At first, Daniel resisted. He thought, "This sounds too simple. My situation is different. My expenses are too high." But Elena challenged him, "If you don't change the way you handle money now, when will you? If you can't save with what you earn today, you won't save even if you earn double tomorrow." Her words hit Daniel like a thunderbolt. He realized she was right. He had been waiting for a perfect moment to take control of his finances. That moment never came, because the perfect moment doesn't exist. The only moment is now. So Daniel decided to try. The first month was brutal. Tracking expenses felt annoying. Every coffee, every meal, every ride share was written down. Saying no to extra dinners out felt like punishment. He questioned himself constantly, "Am I really doing this right?" But slowly, Daniel began to notice something powerful. By following the 50-30-20 rule, he wasn't living in restriction, he was living with clarity. For the first time, he knew exactly where his money was going. At the grocery store, he no longer grabbed items mindlessly. At restaurants, he thought twice before ordering. And every time he put money into his savings account, he felt a spark of pride. His stress began to shrink. His savings account, once empty, started to grow. His credit card balance, once untouchable, began to fall. And with every small win, Daniel felt something he hadn't felt in years: control. Months passed. Daniel kept at it. He stumbled sometimes, overspending on a birthday gift, or saying yes to an expensive night out. But instead of giving up, he adjusted, recalculated, and kept moving forward. One evening, as he checked his bank app, Daniel froze. For the first time in his life, the numbers on the screen made him smile. He had built a small emergency fund. He had paid off one of his credit cards. He realized he was no longer living paycheck to paycheck. He leaned back, tears filling his eyes, and whispered, "I'm free, maybe not fully, but finally on my way." But life, as always, tested him. His friends planned a luxury vacation. They begged Daniel to join, saying, "Come on. You only live once." For a moment, old habits tempted him. He imagined swiping his credit card and worrying later. He imagined the sun, the beaches, the laughter. But then he remembered Elena's words, "If you don't control your money will control you." So Daniel made a choice. He politely declined, stayed disciplined, and kept building his foundation. His friends laughed, but deep inside, Daniel felt something they didn't: peace. A year later, the world turned upside down. A sudden crisis hit: layoffs, uncertainty, chaos. Many of Daniel's friends, the same ones who mocked him, panicked as they had no savings to fall back on. But Daniel, he stood tall. His emergency fund carried him through. His savings gave him options. And instead of drowning in fear, he even found an opportunity to invest when prices were low. For the first time, Daniel realized the true power of the 50-30-20 rule. It wasn't just about money, it was about freedom, resilience, and hope. Daniel's journey teaches us something simple, yet life-changing: money is not the enemy. Debt is not destiny. And financial freedom is not just for the rich. It's for anyone who decides to take control, anyone who chooses discipline over excuses. The 50-30-20 rule is not about perfection. It's about direction. Each month you follow it, you move one step closer to a life where money works for you, not against you. Imagine this: what would your life look like if you had 6 months of savings sitting in your account? What if your debts were shrinking instead of growing? What if, for the first time, you felt calm instead of anxious when opening your bank app? This isn't a fantasy. It's a choice. It's a habit. It's a decision you can make today. Every great journey begins with a single step. And for financial freedom, that step: the 50-30-20 rule. So, let me ask you, are you ready to take control of your money? Are you ready to stop waiting for someday and start building your future today? Remember this: every dollar has a purpose. Every choice has a consequence. And every small step creates a bigger future. Just like Daniel, you can break free. You can create stability. And you can live with peace of mind. All it takes is one simple rule: the 50-30-20 rule. If this story inspired you, don't let it end here. Hit that like button to spread the message. Click subscribe so you never miss another powerful story. And share this video with someone who needs to hear this today. Because financial freedom doesn't start tomorrow. It starts now.